observes the brothers' territorial boundaries and fights fiercely to preserve his own. His territory shares a border with the brothers' land, a border that Achilles ensures is never breached. Despite their detachment, there are blood ties between the lone male and the brothers. He is their cousin, born 3 months before, and the only surviving cub of his litter. He had to learn to be self-reliant, hunting and defending his kills and territory single-handedly. The lone male is also a strategist. He knows when to retreat and when to fight. A lone cheetah has many enemies. All 4 cheetahs share hostile relationships with several others here. First, there's an injured leopard, whose broken paw has put him in an awkward position, finding it hard to hunt since his injury. Often going hungry and desperate for food, he has become a cat burglar, scavenging kills made by others. He'll steal anything he can lay his claws on, which often means the cheetah's prey. And there is another body snatcher on the plains, the spotted hyena, a master thief. Unlike the leopard, she's a fit and healthy specimen. Although female hyenas are hunters, they are also opportunists, and this hyena won't turn her nose up at an easy meal. Occasionally, the hyena shares her bounty with the most cunning hustler of all, the black-backed jackal. Blackbacks show remarkable boldness when it comes to scavenging. The jackal regularly acts as the hyena's accomplice, raising the alarm when the cheetahs have made a kill. His calls keep everyone who's listening well informed. A cheetah kill is not difficult to steal. The featherweight build of around 50 kilograms is designed more for flight than fight. Everything is carried out at high speed. That means chase fast, kill fast, and eat fast. Anything less, and they risk losing out. Cheetahs can reach speeds of nearly 100 kilometers an hour over 300-meter stretches. When they are on form, few prey can escape. Speed is the cheetah's best weapon. The harder their target is running, the easier it is for the cheetah to unbalance it. Despite having so many rivals and potential enemies in the Linyanti, the cheetah brothers have managed to reign here as top predators for 5 years. This is a record-breaking term. Like the Okavango Delta to the south, swamps, rivers and lagoons persist in the Linyanti throughout the heat of the dry season. Attracting other animals from far and wide as the surrounding landscape begins to dry up. Such a unique environment helps guarantee that the Linyanti Plain always has a steady supply of prey. Where there's prey, there are predators. Under Achilles' leadership, the brothers always seem to stay well ahead of the game. But one day brings an event that will change their lives forever. Achilles picks up the telltale scent of a female cheetah in season. Unlike male cheetahs, who avoid trespassing into other territories, females regularly cross into the domains of male coalitions. The instinct to mate is overpowering. Following her pungent urine trail, Achilles sets off in search of the female. A sound from the scrub breaks the spell and gets Achilles' attention. The strike hits home, and cobra venom courses through Achilles' bloodstream. The cheetah fights for his life. Alone and helpless, death comes. Achilles, the leader of the cheetah brotherhood, slips away. Barely a kilometer away, Odin and Shiva are oblivious to the disaster. Achilles is yet to be missed. His two brothers have picked up the scent of the female. A step behind Achilles as always, they are on the way in amorous pursuit, but only one is likely to succeed. They take different routes. Both call out to attract the female's attention. The race is on. Odin is the first to spot her. While he now has plenty to occupy him, Shiva continues his fruitless search alone, marking and calling in the hopes of catching the elusive female's attention. For Odin, the first mating is unlikely to be successful, but it will begin to stimulate the female's ovaries. Odin bites her neck, another gesture in a subtle mating ritual that further stimulates ovulation. Copulation lasts only a few seconds, but the courtship is far from over. Odin and the female will stay together for the next 2 days, mating repeatedly. Shiva continues to call for the female, but she is no longer listening. However, his calls haven't gone unnoticed by the hyena. Drawn by the possibility of an easy meal, she has come to investigate. Cheetah and hyena are mortal enemies, but with no kill to steal, the cheetah isn't worth a fight. From a safe distance, Shiva calls out once more, this time for his brothers. His cries seem distressed as he realizes how vulnerable he is alone. Odin finally leaves the female to find his brothers. Hours later, he comes across Shiva. After their separation, they reaffirm their close bond by grooming.